Hey guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick, and today we're gonna talk about SoulTalk. So today's video is a short tutorial about this application. I want to show you how to install it and how to use it. So you can easily install this application from Play Store if you use Android emulator as me, or if you use an Android device, or you can also download it in App Store if you use an iOS device. So let's open up Play Store and type in the search box SoulTalk. And here is the necessary application. At the very top you can find it, and of course let's try to install it. Just click on this button. Here you can already see what this application is. This is a chat room with AI characters, and this application is very similar to Character AI. So about this app, welcome to the world of SoulTalk AI, where you can find your unique AI companion among countless AI-driven characters. Also here you can read about features if you want, screenshots from the application. This is how the interface looks like. And also you can read reviews from other users. And finally, you can easily open it. So let's do it. Okay, and on the main page, you can see a lot of AI characters. Enzo, Victoria, Henry, and you can scroll down and find the necessary one. I like this one. Just click on it, and here you can type something and chat with this AI girl. So just type something here and chat with her. So at the very bottom you can find 4 tabs. This is the challenge tab. Here you can find a lot of AI bots if you want. At the very top you can also filter them. The third tab is chats. Here you'll find all your chats with AI. And the last tab is the login and sign up page. And here, as you understand, you can sign up. Just click on login and sign up and create your account. You can just continue with Google or type here your email address and click on next. And also you need to create a password for your account. So let's try to continue with Google. Select the necessary Google account, type here your name and click on the save button at the top right. And also you can add your own AI character just by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right. This is how the create character page looks like. Select a gender and name your character. Also you can add tags, profession, personality, relationship, and so on. So it was a short tutorial about SoulTalk. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.